Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for car enthusiasts and anyone who enjoys keeping their vehicle looking pristine, the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit? This versatile kit is designed to enhance your car washing experience by delivering professional-grade cleaning results with minimal effort. It includes a foam cannon, a foam applicator specifically for car wash, and a garden hose adapter, making it suitable for various cleaning setups. While the car wash soap isn't included in the kit, it's designed to work seamlessly with most soaps available on the market. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, the Armor All Foam Cannon is built for speed and efficiency. It produces a high level of foam that clings intensely to your vehicle, ensuring maximum coverage while minimizing the effort you need to put in. This means you can wash your car faster and achieve a sparkling clean finish without spending hours scrubbing. One of the great aspects of this kit is its versatility. You can connect the foam cannon to either a pressure washer for a more robust cleaning experience or directly to your garden hose for a more casual foam cannon experience. This flexibility is perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned detailer or just looking to spruce up your family vehicle. The design of the foam cannon is also worth mentioning. It features a non-slip grip, which makes it easy to handle even when wet. Plus, the wide base ensures that it won't tip over easily, minimizing spills and mess. The large reservoir has marked lines for easy measuring, allowing you to mix the right amount of soap and water for your wash. This is especially useful if you're cleaning larger vehicles like trucks or SUVs, as it provides enough suds to get the job done effectively. Who is this kit suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who loves their car and wants to maintain it in top condition. If you're a dad who takes pride in your vehicle, this makes an ideal gift. It's also great for car enthusiasts who enjoy detailing their own vehicles. Whether you're cleaning your daily driver or a show car, the Armor All Foam Cannon Kit can help you achieve that showroom shine without the hassle. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine a sunny Saturday afternoon, and you decide it's time to give your car a proper wash. You simply fill the reservoir with your favorite car wash soap, connect the foam cannon to your pressure washer, and in minutes, you have a thick layer of foam covering your vehicle. This foam not only helps in loosening dirt and grime but also makes the entire washing process more enjoyable. Another scenario could be if you're preparing your car for a road trip or a car show. You want to make sure it looks its best. With the Armor All Foam Cannon Kit, you can quickly apply a thick, sudsy foam that clings to the surface, ensuring that you get every nook and cranny clean before you hit the road. In conclusion, the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit is an essential addition to your car cleaning supplies. It combines convenience, efficiency, and professional results in one easy-to-use package. Whether you're a car care novice or a detailing expert, this kit makes washing your car a breeze. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget